Good day. I'm pleased to introduce myself. I am Renessa Augues Bahan, and I am from Magsaysay Surable Unis, Bohol. So I am handling technology and livelihood education. So my uh, my lesson plan will start. I'm gonna state to you the objectives of my lesson plan. So first, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify the 5S of good housekeeping, and second is to display appreciation on the 5S in housekeeping situations, and lastly is appraise the importance of 5S in a working environment. So after that is the subject matter. So the topic for my lesson is all about 5S of good housekeeping. So I have here the materials, and also next is the learning procedures. So first is the routine activity. So the prayer, greetings, classroom management, checking of attendance, and review of the past lesson. So after that is the motivation. So there's an activity that will be done before the lesson proper. So next to that is the abstraction. So this time is I'm going to discuss the 5S of the good housekeeping. And then after that is there will be an application. So the students have to apply what they've learned in the lesson. And um, next is the assessment. So there will be a short test of the lesson regarding the lesson that I will be discussing the entire session. And after that will be the assignment that will be done by the students and will be passed the next session. So that's the flow of my lesson plan. Ohayou gozaimasu! How are you, students? Oh, that's good. You are good. How about you, Jen? Are you okay? Oh, that's right. And how about you, Leah? Oh, why? Oh, but anyway, everything will be all right. Okay, so now look out your surroundings and observe. Mhm. So is everything set in its place? Oh, very good. So did you clean this morning? Oh, very good. So I will give you 100% points today. Now, students, you see these things here on my table? Okay. So our activity is this is the segregation of things. So as you can see, there are 3 boxes here. We have box number 1, this is useful, and the other one is a bit useful, and the other one is unuseful. So we have things here, and I'm gonna show it to you, and you choose, or I'm calling one student to answer or to segregate or to put this thing on its place. Okay, so are you ready, students? Very good. Okay, so let's start now. So we have the first thing. So what's this? Okay, this is cup. So Angelica, I want you to answer, or I want you to put this in its place. Okay. Um okay, this is useful. Very good. You're so intelligent. So I'm gonna put this in the box number 1. Okay, so we're done with our activity. So as you see, we segregate or we put the useful things together. So just like the game, we also sort things or items to organize or clean our area. By segregating these things, we can easily get or access to the things that you want to use again in the future. Okay, so let's move to our next activity. So this activity is unlocking terms. So what you're going to do is you are going to pair. So pair the English words, okay, and also we have Japanese words. Okay. Start with sword. Okay, so sword. So what do you think is the word that pairs the sword, the word sword in Japanese word? So I want to call in John. Okay, so John. So what's the answer? Okay, this one. It's, how do you read this, John? Oh, it's Seri. Okay, Seri. So sword and Seri. Okay, so ships. Okay, so we already completed the English words and its pair. So let's start with sword. So sword, as you see in the definition, that's distinguished between what is needed and not needed. Okay, so just like the examples here, we have useful and useful and a bit useful. So you sort, you distinguish what are the things for useful, or what are the useful things, and also what are the unuseful things. So guys, I have here pictures. Yeah, so these are the sample pictures of these 5S. So I will be calling again, I will be calling names again, and you will post this to the right 5S. Okay, so let's start. So we have Peter. Okay, so I want you to paste this to the correct 5S. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So you put this in sort or seri. Okay. So okay, very good. You really understood our lesson today. Okay guys, so I assume that you already understood our discussion. So this time, I want you to get 1/2 crosswise. Yes, 1/2 crosswise you get, and we'll have the assessment. We have a short test. Okay, so ready? Okay, so you number your paper 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10. Number 1, 1 to 5. Okay, so we have enumeration first, 1 to 5. You write the English word of 5S. Okay. Number 6. Japanese word of set in order. Okay, let's check. Okay, who got the... Okay, so let's have 1 to 5 answers. Okay, so we have sword, set in order, shine, standardized, and last is sustain. Okay, so yes, we're done checking. So who got a perfect score? Oh, very good. So most of you got the correct answer. So very good. Okay, so now before we end, I want to give an assignment. Okay, so your assignment is to write 5 benefits. Okay, so 5 benefits of 5S in working environment. So you write their answers in one whole sheet of paper. Okay, so do you have any questions? No, very good. Okay, so that's all for today. So thank you so much, and we'll see you again tomorrow. So see you.